What's up, everybody? I'm back with another two deals video, and I got a lot of deals for y'all today. But I'm going to just focus on you know what? We gonna have to. We gotta just talk about these because they're too good. So I noticed when I was checking my order because I bought this and it's getting delivered today. They have this back up, $209.99. It is a 730 CFM blower with two 4 amp hour 40 volt batteries and a charger. When it all breaks down, it's like 140 something. This is gonna be $63 off. Then you have these other ones. Forget those. We got other stuff. Lawnmowers. There's one left, but y'all need to move quick. So this comes with a 6 amp hour battery. It is a push brushless one. It's gonna be $250 with an additional 30% off. I don't even know what that is. It's only $100 and something dollars. Go run, get this right now. We have this 16-inch one. I'm not really a fan. It's too little, in my opinion. If you got a small yard, this be all right for storage and all that, and it comes with batteries as well. We have this string trimmer right here with a 40. Any of these things that come with batteries, man, get them. $89 with an additional 30% off. I don't even want to sit here and do the math. Just know it's gonna be cheap with this battery. The battery and the charger alone is worth that. Now I had a bunch of purchased those dehumidifiers too. They arrive in a day as well. But I did buy that hacksaw. I meant to tell y'all it was brand new. The box was a little beat up, but it was brand new. And then I also ordered the Ryobi power scrub extended pole reach thing. I'm trying to see if they have one in here. And it was brand new. So I'm like, I have had great success. Again, I know some people get some stuff that's messed up. It's an easy way to remedy that. Just think outside the box. It doesn't require reaching out to tools direct. You want to reach out, ask for a partial discount, but then you can handle your business and get you a good one. Anyway, the Rocket Light's $149 with an additional 30%. Not saying there's 30% off on that one. That's interesting. But try it anyway and add it to the cart. Trying to move real fast. Just go through this. Just go. Just go. It's really good deals today because they're adding new stuff, but they sell out fast. You already know that. So moving on, let's go over to CPO outlets. They having a Metabo HPT sale, which is not a sale because I've never seen this. Almost this is 30% off. And what do you mean? This has always been $299, and it $299 with free stuff usually. And even then, I'm like, that's not a good deal. $299 with something free, a free starter kit. Then they have this kit, this 4-piece, which is at Lowe's. I've seen it recently for $149. $294, literally double the price. And look, it's the old one because it comes with the 1.5 amp hour batteries. The new ones that's at Lowe's on clearance come with the new 2 amp hour batteries with the battery indicator on them, and that's what you really want. So I was just showing y'all, don't do this. Like same with this cordless blower and this radio. You guys, all this stuff is at Lowe's and it comes with free starter kits for the same price. So buy CPO. Yeah. All right, going on over to Home Depot. I'm trying to hurry up because I need to get those eBay things out quick. This is a good deal. This dewalt, and here we go. This lawnmower, the same one I just showed you. Only it's $289. It's $175. I'm about to just stop the video right here. Yeah, you know what? I think I am because none of that stuff is gonna be better than anything you see here. This is a good deal. The circular saw with the jigsaw for $389 and the high output battery and it's an 8 amp hour battery. Yeah, it is with the charger. That's a good deal because these things are over $200. The jigsaw and the circular saw are over $200 a piece themselves. Same for this chainsaw and this blower. Same. I mean, all these outdoor things from Milwaukee are pretty decent deals today. Let's scroll. We already see all this stuff is at Tools Direct. On eBay. All this stuff is here we go, $69. You know what I'm saying? Okay, $89. All right. So this special buy is not making any sense. If you miss out and they sold out, then you can go ahead and come back over to Home Depot. This is not a bad deal. This is a brush kit, but this impact driver and that drill is pretty good. Then you have your radio. I think that radio is decent for $279. It's all right. I don't like these bigger kits. That's a bit much. This one for $499. Again, it's the compact one. The impact driver is going to be good. The drill is going to be good. The right angle drill is very good. I'm pretty much best in class with that dual clutch transmission that it has. And then you have, you know, circular saw, this cutoff tool. I think this is okay. People think it's all right. It's not the best out there. Moving on down, this is a good deal on a hammer drill because hammer drill is basically getting the starter kit free. And again, you can't hack this because you have the starter kit for $199, and then you can hack the drill. Okay, so this is a good deal on this grinder. This is not a bad deal either on this. It's the brush version on this one-handed reciprocating saw. I like it. It's big. You know, I use it. But also this one's big too. The M18 fuel one is also still big. It's only slightly smaller than this one. And I think this was like more narrow. But so they both big and kind of cumbersome, if I'm being honest with you. This fuel obviously has a longer stroke, but you're going to spend an extra $120 for the longer stroke. And you know, you get 2 high output 6 amp hour high output batteries, which is good. This is going to come with one 5 amp hour one. Pick your poison. You know, you can't go wrong with either one. Same for the impact wrench, is a good deal. All these things like 2 something are good deals. The orbital sander, you know, it's not bad because, you know, good price for orbital sander is around $90. So, you know, you had that. But most of these things can be hacked. If you see them with this starter kit, you can go hack this, all right, if you don't need the whole thing. So keep that in mind. I'll leave a link to the starter kit. You can go see, you know, have your own little options going on there. And then even if you want a ryobi brad nailer, they have them over at Tools Direct on eBay, so check that out first. And then I wanted to show you Direct Tools too, because Direct Tools and Tools Direct are having some good deals today. Now, I was going to say this pruning reciprocating saw for $69, you know, that might not be too bad to try. So I'm just going to stop there and let you guys go through this some more. I do like these right angle ratchets. I keep saying right angle ratchets, but they used to call them that. But anyway, these ratchets, these cordless ratchets, one's going to be, one's a 1/4 inch. That's really good. That's underrated right there, that 1/4 inch, because usually they come in 3/8 and you got to use the step down adapter, which makes the head longer. So this is a nice little deal right there, $149. You get the tool, and then you get a high output battery with the charger and a nice little case. $149. That's really good with your LSA. It's going to be a lifetime service agreement. Then same for this impact driver for $49. And I'm just going to stop there, and I'm going to let you guys go through the rest of this. As a matter of fact, I think I'm going to just stop right now entirely because great deals going on right now. I need you guys to go out there and get them, so I don't want to waste any time. If you got any value from this video, I ask that you please subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any more deals, and get on out there and enjoy. Last other thing I want to show you, Bomgaars. This is ending today. I heard from someone in the Facebook group. You hear my phone ringing, I ain't even gonna answer it, sorry. But this is ending today. $199 for this whole kit, okay? Still $199. $199 for the whole kit. This is the best high torque impact wrench in the game. With this 5 amp hour battery, it outperforms everything, even the Snap-on and Matco cordless impact wrenches for $199. Get it if you need one. Get it. I think I might get 2 and throw one of them joints on eBay. But anyway, that's it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful. I'll see you guys next in. Tune in tomorrow because clearly I have a whole bunch of other tools for you guys. But those will still be around tomorrow. These other ones will not. Bye.